Hello little learners, hey! Baby Dino comes today. Shapes are dancing everywhere. Let's sing, laugh and play. Circle rolls round, round. Round cookie, looks yummy. Haha, spin around. Circle loves to roll. Square block stacks high. Square window shines bright. Tap, tap, build together. Square feels nice today. Triangle points upward. Triangle kite flies high. Swish, swish, wave hands. Triangle reaches sky. Rectangle book opens. Rectangle bus goes vroom, boom, boom. Clap along. Rectangle rides away. Star sparkles every night. Golden star smiles bright. Twinkle, twinkle, yay, yay! Starlights are dreams. Heart says love always. Heart balloon floats high. Hop, hop, hug friends. Happy hearts shine bright. Oval egg rolls gently. Oval balloon floats softly. La la, dance together. Oval looks so funny. Diamond sparkles today. Diamond kite flies fast. Zoom, zoom, laugh loud. Diamond shines brightly. Circle joins the square. Triangle waves hello. Heart hugs every friend. Shapes make learning fun. Shapes are everywhere. Baby Dino learned today. Sing again tomorrow. Bye bye, little friends.